Hey guys, so we back. And today we're gonna be making, it was on recommended, it was in the comments with my sister-in-law. Hey girl. And we're gonna be making biscuits and gravy, okay? But I ain't gonna do no Pillsbury biscuits, no. No, I make my own biscuits, okay? So we're gonna do that first. So I'm gonna go down to the bowl, okay? Don't get crazy, okay? I'm gonna go down to the bowl. Okay, you guys, so let me tell you the ingredients, okay? So 2 cups of flour, okay? Bam. Salt, but we're gonna need, I think it said a 1/3 teaspoon. I'll have to look at, hold on, excuse me, let me check. I lied to y'all, it's 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna need 1 tablespoon baking powder, bam, right there. We're gonna need 3/4 cup milk. Got it. And then you're gonna need 1/2 cup shortening. Bam. Got that as well. We're gonna move this to the side though because we're gonna be bringing in Big Bertha. Okay, now if y'all don't know what Big Bertha is, it's just a ball. Okay? It's just a ball, y'all. Don't get crazy. Big Bertha. See, I told y'all she huge. Look at that. Bam. Okay, we're gonna need a sifter. Look at that. And we gonna sift the ingredients, all the dry ingredients, okay, together. Oh, I'm gonna fuck this up. Hold on. I got me a cup. Cause if not, all this flour would have gone on my shirt and I would have been mad. Okay, let's put all this in, all the dry. Oh, shoot. Y'all know what sifting does? I think it incorporates air, if I remember correctly. You can correct me if I'm wrong, I don't care. I ain't gonna hate on you just cause you're right. Okay, and then the baking powder. Oh, look at this cute little dish. Yeah. Oh. Okay, and then we need that 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So we're just gonna get some bam, okay? And then we get the sifting. Oh snap. Oh, I should have done this by parts. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Y'all look, I'm sifting. Just feel like those Jack in the Box things. Just wait for the bam, something to pop up, you know what I'm saying? You gotta smack it a little bit. Give it a little smackaroo. Oh, I spilled some on my hand. That's all. Oh, smackaroo again. See, we smackaroo again. I'm telling y'all, it gets on the edges. I'm gonna show y'all one more time. Look. Can y'all see it? I don't care. It getting on the edges. Trust me, believe me, thank you, you're welcome. Okay. And there's nothing left. We're gonna throw away the crumbs. We don't want that. There's like 2 crumbs. Okay, wow, that has been sifted. Next, what we gonna be doing? Oh, shoot. I'm so sorry. Okay, we're going to be putting in the shortening. Oh, we need the shortening already? I need a fork, excuse me. I got me a fork. Now what we're gonna do is just, y'all can't see this, I'm sorry. We're gonna put the shortening in. Ew. Isn't this large or something? It's something. Okay, get in there. They don't want to go in there. It's like, no, you're going to do something to me. Yes, I am. Get in there. Okay, we just, bam. Okay, done, empty. Okay, so now what we going to do is we got to cut it in to the flour. So basically, you just do this with the pastry blender. Yes, look at this. You do this. And then you're gonna want it to look like coarse crumbs. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this for a while. I don't know. I'll get back to y'all when it is ready. Okay. Okay, guys, that's what I got. It don't really look like coarse crumbs. I don't know what the fool they're talking about. Oh, sorry, I ain't supposed to curse. My bad. I ain't say nothing. Okay, once that is done, We just gonna pour milk right on in, huh? Okay, so pouring the milk, we need a fork, it says. Let's get that fork. Bam, got it. Now we're gonna pour in the milk. Woo, okay, get all of that in there. And then, okay, we're gonna be ghetto. We're just gonna mix with the fork. In the middle? Is that what that said? Oh, I was supposed to be stirring as I pour the milk. My bad. It's the same. It's the same, you guys. It don't really matter. Oh, shoot, we get in there. We get in there to some dough. Okay, we just gonna... Did I put everything. Okay, I'm just making sure. Just making sure. Okay. Oh, snap. We're gonna need both. We're gonna need both hands. I'm both-handed, okay? Oh, it looks like there's not enough milk, but we gonna keep stirring. Once I get it all stirred, y'all, I'll show you how it look. Okay, guys, this is what I got. It said, stir with the fork. I did that. Mix in milk until dough is soft. Got that. Moist. Oh, she moist. Ugh, nasty. And then pulls away from the side of the bowl, so it does exactly that. Gross. Okay, and then it says turn dough out onto a floured surface and toss with flour until no longer sticky. It's not even sticky though. Okay, a little bit. Okay. We're gonna have to transfer all this into a surface that, you know, we can put flour onto, so excuse me. Okay, you guys, we is back. We got our flour. We're gonna flour the surface. Wow. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do that. Boom, flour surface. Great. Grab your dough. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna need it. Cause this ain't no pizza, we ain't gonna toss it up in the air. Like, what? What happened? Oh. Okay, and then we're just gonna, we're gonna put flour on it, on your hands as well. Okay, and then you're gonna knead it until no longer sticky. Okay. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, well, it wasn't sticky in the first place, y'all. Like, that's what I'm so confused about. She was not sticky. Okay, let's move that flour to the side. Okay, now she a little sticky. But when you look for it, I mean, it's not really, it's not really sticky when you want to. Because I know you can do bam. Bam, so you can do that if you want to. I don't know. It's your choice. It's not mine to, you know, decide or whatever. What, I ain't nobody. So, I'm just, you know, I'm a wannabe chef or whatever. And we're gonna put some more in our hands because, let's put some, bam. Y'all see that motion? Can y'all tell I'm an expert? Look at that. Ooh. 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 Bow. What's... I think we... No, we good. No, we not. I lied. Okay, we're good. Because we're still going to roll this schnaz out. Y'all see that motion? It's Tender Care and Love, TLC. Oh wait, Tender Love and Care, I'm sorry. Gonna grab that flour. We're just gonna put it back. Oh, that's part of the dough. Oops. And then we're gonna get a rolling pin. So excuse me while I go get that. Okay, I found a, whatever this is. And we're gonna just put some flour on that. That's a little sexual, it's okay. And we're gonna roll it out. Half an inch. We gotta be careful there. I'm not about to get a ruler. I don't know why they say half an inch, y'all. You know, just however you want your rolls. Your biscuits, I mean, I'm sorry. Sure, that's how thickums I want them. Okay, and then we need something to cut it, obviously. Stupid. So I'm gonna go find that real quick. I don't know where my mama hides these stuff from us. Well, for me, really. Ain't nobody else in here cook. Yeah, I'm throwing shade, but whatever. Oh, I got some flour in there. That's nasty. I'm gonna go find that and I'll get back to y'all, okay? Okay, guys, I couldn't find a circle one. I found this Hello Kitty one. We're gonna see if that worked. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm pretty sure we do have a circle one. I just don't got time for that. Oh, y'all heard that little noise? I mean, I'm pretty sure this will work. If not, whatever. If we do, we're gonna have some Hello Kitty shaped biscuits, and I think that's adorable. Okay, guys, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna repeat this until you have normal dough. Okay. I mean, until you have no more dough to cut, I should say. And so I will get back to y'all when I have done all this dough, okay? Okay, guys, now we're gonna put this in an ungreased pan, is what it said. I don't trust it, so I'm gonna put like a little bit of butter on my pan. Just a little bit. No, should I? I'm gonna follow what it says and I'll let you know how it comes out, okay? Okay, let me fix. Okay, guys, now that we got the biscuits in the oven, we're gonna make, well, the gravy, you know, the main ingredient of this show. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, we need sausage. Now this is 11 ounces of sausage, okay? 1/4 cup of flour, that's for the gravy. And then we have, I'm gonna spill this, I know it. 2 cups and a 1/2 cup of milk. And then it's asking for salt and pepper. So I got my salt, pepper. Okay, so we're gonna put that in a skillet or whatever, frying pan, and then, you know, I'll get back to you, okay? Bueno, no sé si usado lo que... bueno, no importa. Okay, guys, I got 11 ounces here of sausage. Hey guys, my camera died. So basically now what we're going to do is we're gonna put that flour in. So we're gonna hurry up and do that. We're gonna start with that flour. Okay. We're gonna stir it and that's gonna get all of the, gonna make that gravy. Okay. We're also going to add milk. Okay. We'll wait for it to heat up again. Okay, once it heats up again, you guys, I'll get back to you. Okay, you're gonna let it boil for a little bit. And then you're gonna want it to get thicker, you know, thick. Okay, we're gonna let that boil for a little bit. Okay, let me show you guys my Hello Kitty biscuits. Y'all, look at that, looks so cute. Oh, that one, she the ugly duckling. Oh, there's another ugly duckling right here. I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. Let's try this, okay? We're gonna try it. I just made biscuits. Damn. It's so good. Alright, you guys, it is boiling. Oh, it's boiling a little too much, so we're gonna turn it off. Turn off the heat. Come on, turn it off. Okay. That's how it's gonna look. Sorry for the quality, you guys. My camera died. This smells so good. Okay, right here at this time of point in your life. I'm just kidding. But no, for real, if you're making this now is when you want to add salt and pepper to taste. So we're going to do that in a bit. I'm just trying to scrape up all that flour. Oh, you can see my finger. Sorry. Okay. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Oh, I got to grind it up. Can we do this one-handed? Can we? Hold on, I got this. Bam, got it. Okay, we're just gonna keep stirring that. Alright, and you're done. Next is you're gonna plate it, yas. Alright, you guys, that is the finished product. Look at it. Ooh, let me show you the biscuit. If that's probably already drizzled. Look at that. Looks so good. Alright, I'm gonna taste it next year. I'll tell you if y'all it's worth making or not. Okay, now we're gonna taste it. We're gonna taste it. Huh. It's so good. They got milk. It's pretty good. I recommend. I mean, not all of you gonna have that Hello Kitty shit. Sorry, I meant Steph. So, you know, you're gonna have to find your own stuff. You know, you can make a circle. You can make a classic biscuit. But anyways, you guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, Susan. Rude. Share and like this video and give it a thumbs up. And put in the comments down below what you want to see me try to make next. And I'll see you later. Bye.